How to improve the sound of your car makes for free. Basically, the key to this is induction noise. Induction noise is free. This here, this pipe, the car sucks air in all the way up here, all the way through this box in here. There's a mechanism here. Basically, that acts as a silencer. So it actually silences the induction noise. If you want to do this for free, basically remove your airbox, but obviously you're not going to be having any filtration. And if you want to do it for about £10, then put a little cone filter on the end of there. I'm going to do a video of acceleration pull, both with this box on in standard form and with it off, so we can get some induction noise. Okay, so just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just disconnect this. So it's now disconnected. Obviously, if you were doing this as a permanent install, you'd want to fit a pod filter there. So let's have a look at the difference. Instant. Got to be the first mod you do to your car. It was the first one I did on my 45 horsepower Ford Fiesta when I learned to drive. It literally felt like it doubled the power in my 17-year-old brain. I was a rally driver just from this simple mod. I was in an actual WRC car as far as I was aware. So if you were 17, like I was when I first discovered this, then well done. You've just found out how to turn your car into an actual WRC rally car, and you're probably going to have a lot of fun. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little video, and if you like this style of video and you'd like more of them, let me know in the comments. If you found it boring, then let me know and I won't do it again. Cheers.